Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable video autoplay on Instagram. So from your Instagram account, go and tap your profile icon on the bottom right corner and the three bars on the upper right corner. Then tap for settings and privacy. Now under this settings and privacy, tap on the data usage. And then we have two options here. Now, the best that we can choose is this use less cellular data. So toggle that on in order for the Instagram to limit the videos that you have watched. So they don't have that specific button wherein we can enable videos to autoplay. However, this is the best option that we could have for now. So it will limit your data usage from Instagram. So it will also enable videos or lesson videos to play right away on your end. So if this is informative and helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.